Hello guys, welcome to my market vlog. Let's see what market did on 9th of October 2020. So we will start today with the news of the day, and the news of the day was the RBI decision on the policy. It was expected that RBI will not change the rate, and it happened. So RBI Central Bank keeps repo rate unchanged at 4%. But the important part was the commentary from the RBI Governor Shakti Kanta Das. He said that the Indian economy Indian GDP growth can turn positive in the Q4 of this year itself. So it was very, very big. So what does it mean? That the size of Indian GDP in January to March quarter of 2021 will be greater than the January to March quarter of 2020. So it's a big positive, and market that take this positive cue and behave this like this on the whole day. So if we check Nifty was up. It closed at the high point of the day, but the most important part was the divergence between Bank Nifty and Nifty. Nifty was up 0.67 only, and Bank Nifty was up 2.83%. Huge move in Bank Nifty, and you can see it closed about 200-day moving average. It's very, very significant event. So last time you can see it failed at 200-day moving average, but this time it was successfully able to close about 200-day moving average. So that's a very, very big event. Now we can check the gainer and losers of the Nifty. So in the gainers we have a Wipro. Wipro is doing fantastic job. If we check Wipro chart, from the day the management has changed in Wipro, it's just keep on moving. So this day the news came that the management has changed, and from that day you can see the stock is moving high. It has gapped up 7% yesterday and 4% today. It's just amazing move. It's happening due to the buyback, but it's still a great move. Then we have a bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, SBI, SDF, all. So ICICI Bank closing up about 400 range is also a significant. So if we check the range, you can see it's just at the cusp of 200-day moving average. We don't know if it will be able to break out or not, but it's at the just cusp of 200-day moving average. We have Axis, SBI, SDFC, L&T, GAIL. So nothing majorly moved except the banks today. So this is a very important observation. When Bank Nifty moves, nothing moves. Everything just stare at the Bank Nifty. So that's the power of Bank Nifty. In loser we have a Grasim, Hindalco, UPL, Sun Pharma. It's just random list. There was no news driven selling today. We can check the list of FNO gainer and loser. So in losers we have Biocon. So there was a profit booking in the pharma sectors. That's all. Nothing special about this list. In the gainers we have LIC Housing Finance, Indiabull Housing Finance, and SDFC was also up today. So it was due to the measure announced by RBI providing some relaxation on the housing loans. That's why housing finance companies were up today, and you can see that few PSU bank was also moving up. I don't know the reason, but they just moved up a little bit today. We can check the FII data. So FII sold today 39 crore. So it's a bit negative, but it happened after the buying of 5 to 6 days. So it's not that big number. So we can just say FIR is still positive on our market. We can check advance and decline. This is very important. So you can check the list here. If you check the list of indexes, you can see lot of red, and mid cap, small cap. So mid cap and small cap are not really performing as well as Nifty from last few days. So you can see only the Bank Nifty was up, auto was down, consumption was down, pharma was seeing big profit booking, and all important index were down except Bank Nifty. So it was solely Bank Nifty day. What we can check is a list of 52-week high and low. We have Ambuja Cements, Apollo Hospital is just keep moving on for some reason. We have a Biocon. It hits 52-week high but down 3.76% due to profit booking. Same with Cadila, Cipla, all closed in negative after opening higher. We have a Hero MotoCorp. This stock is also going through the roof, and it's driven by the fundamentals. The people are choosing individual mobility over the public transportation. So lot of bikes, people are buying a lot of bikes so that next time government announces kind of lockdown, so they can move to their home village without dependence on the public transportation. On the lower side, we have a CAMS, Camcon, all these IPO are flopping. So that's all. We have a list of 52-week high and low. I want to check the chart. So for me, the chart of today is also HDFC Bank. Second day in row, you can see, oh my god, what a move. So when a bank like HDFC gives such a big move, what it means for the market. So HDFC has highest weight in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. It carries both of them on its shoulder. HDFC Bank moving like this is a huge event. It shows how the leader behave. It's just amazing. And we can check one important part was why Nifty was down. So you can see Reliance was not moving up, TCS was down, Kotak Mahindra, Hindustan Lever was down. And that was the reason that the performance of Bank Nifty is not completely reflected in the Nifty. I think that's all I have for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you don't like, please let me know your feedback so that I can improve upon it. Thank you very much for the day. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.